Easy cooking. The Blackstone Nonstick Egg rings with wood handles are great for making eggs or small pancakes. Versatile. The Blackstone Bacon Press is made of pre-seasoned cast iron which provides even heating as well as retention, eliminating hot spots. Excellent for making grilled sandwiches on the griddle as well. Convenient. The Blackstone batter dispenser holds up to 4 cups of batter and is easy to use for perfect pancakes every time. Can be used for making pancakes, cupcakes, muffins, etc. Durability and longevity. This Blackstone grill is built to last with a powder-coated black steel frame, stainless steel burners and thick cold-rolled steel cooktop. Super simple to clean, making post-meal cleanup a breeze. Controllable heat zones. 2 independently controlled 15,000 BTU stainless steel burners make a total of 30,000 BTUs controlled low to high for versatile cooking options. Propane fueled by a standard 20 pounds tank with an accommodating tank storage tucked nicely under the left side shelf. Blackstone 28 Griddle cooking station offers a thick cold-rolled steel griddle cooking surface, our patented rear grease management system, 2 independently controlled burners push-button ignition. Outdoor cooking is a global passion, we just make it complete with our griddles and accessories. Back in the day, we dreamed of creating the best outdoor cooking experiences for large groups or families. For decades we relied on grills and other appliances to promote this joyful moment, but let's be honest, every time something seemed to be missing. When we're barbecuing outside, the rest of the family is still locked in the kitchen preparing other dishes. It's not the ideal experience. We wanted more, we wanted to cook everything outside. Our products are designed and engineered in the USA with the latest technology and innovation, but we are more than just another outdoor cooking appliance company. Our main focus is on our consumers and designing quality products that yield the best results. Top reviews from the United States. Love these. OMG, I love this. We have a Griddle grill and this is a must have. It makes life so much easier. I made breakfast for 8 kids and 4 adults and these items were a blessing to have to do that large of a breakfast. I have the Griddle grill, which I love. I hate charcoal and I was kind of getting burnt out on just plain grill food. The grill makes your food taste cleaner, so when you use these to make pancakes, bacon, eggs, home fried potatoes and whatever else, these help. The bacon cooks awesome, the pancakes are perfect circles. I use the circle holder to space out the pancakes. I made 30 scrambled eggs so I just put them right on the grill, but the little circles were perfect for pancakes and it was so much easier than I expected. I was able to put in my choco chips and the whole meal was a hit. I love these tools. If you make breakfast somewhat often, these are a must.